Dear students, in my last video we have done some question on the basis of the arithmetic progression. In this video also we will practice on more questions on the topic arithmetic progression. Let us do some questions. Which term of the sequence 70, 81 upon 5, 77 upon 5 is first negative terms? This is the given sequence. So हमको सबसे पहले क्या फाइंड आउट करेंगे, क्या चेक करेंगे हम? सबसे पहले हम चेक करेंगे द गिवन सीक्वेंस इज एन एपी और नॉट, कि क्या ये एक एपी है या नहीं. सो हियर a is equal to 70. What is a? This is the first term. So a is equal to 70 and d is equal to, what is d? D is the common difference. So d is equal to 81 upon 5 minus 17. And this is equal to 81 minus 85 upon 5 equal to minus 4 upon 5. Moreover, d is equal to 77 upon 5 minus 81 upon 5, and this is equal to 77 minus 85 upon 5 is equal to minus 4 upon 5. Because the common difference is same, so the given sequence is an A. Because the common difference is same, so the given sequence is an A. Now, इस फर्स्ट नेगेटिव टर्म, इस एपी की पहली नेगेटिव टर्म कौन सी है? इसका मतलब क्या है, हमको क्या फाइंड आउट करना है? सबसे पहले क्वेश्चन समझ में आना चाहिए कि क्वेश्चन में पूछ क्या रहा है. क्या पूछा है? विच टर्म ऑफ द सीक्वेंस इज द फर्स्ट नेगेटिव टर्म, यानी कि इस सीक्वेंस की कौन सी पहली नेगेटिव टर्म है. इसका मतलब क्या है कि उसने नंबर पूछा है, नंबर कि कौन सी पहली है, दूसरी है, तीसरी है, चौथी है, पांचवी है, छठी है, कौन सी टर्म. तो सबसे पहले हम मान लेंगे कि लेट a n is the first negative term. हमने मान लिया a n. What is a n? This is the nth term. Nth term is the first negative term, and we know that in an AP the nth term a n, this is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the first negative term. A first negative term है तो it means its value will be less than 0. Its value will be less than 0. Now, putting the values of a and d, putting the value of a and d, we will get, what is a? 17 plus n minus 1 into minus 4 upon 5 is equal, less than 0. Now, n minus 1 into 4 upon 5, minus मैं कॉमन ले लेता हूँ यहाँ पर, and this is less than minus 70. Minus minus cancel, then this will become n minus 1, 4 upon 5 greater than 70. This will be greater than 70. इस स्टेप में क्या था कि less than 70. But when the negative sign on both sides remove, then this sign will also change. How? कैसे? We know that. For example, हमने मान लिया कि this is 2, this is minus 2, this is minus 5. Which is lesser or which is greater? We know that minus 2 is greater than minus 5. So the sign will be this. Minus 2 is greater. Now, if we remove the negative sign on both sides, 2, 5, remove कर दिया हमने sign. Now, अगर same sign रखते हैं तो this is not true. This is not true. It means क्या होगा? Sign change हो जाएगा. तो क्या आ जाएगा यहाँ पर? 2 is less than 5. तो similarly यहाँ पर n minus 1 into 4 by 5 is greater than 70. Then this will become n minus 1 is greater than 70 into 5 upon 4 greater than 85 upon 4. And this will n is greater than 85 25 upon 4 plus 1, and this is greater than 81 upon 4, and this will be greater than 22 up into 1 by 4. इसका मतलब क्या हो? This is the number of term. This is the n की वैल्यू आ गई हमारे पास 22 into 1 by 4. इसका now कोई भी टर्म है वो फ्रैक्शन में नहीं हो सकती. कोई भी टर्म है हमारे पास, क्या टर्म कहेंगे हम? फर्स्ट, सेकंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ, 10th, 20th. हम ये तो कहेंगे नहीं कि 22 into 1 by 4. यानी कि दिस विल बी द वैल्यू ऑफ n विल बी ए होल नंबर. और ये क्या कह रहा है यहाँ पर कि ग्रेटर देन दिस. इट मीन्स above 22 the whole number will be 23. So the value of n will be equal to 23. This is your answer. It means in this sequence 23rd term will be the first negative term. Okay students.